In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passkey on LinkedIn using your mobile app. Passkeys are a simple, secure way to sign in without relying on complex passwords. Instead, you use your phone's built-in unlock method, like your fingerprint, Face ID, or your device screen lock. This not only speeds up login, it also adds an extra layer of protection because only someone with your device and your biometric or device PIN can access your account. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then scroll down and tap Settings. From there, go to Sign In and Security and select Passkeys. On this screen, you'll see a quick overview of how passkeys work. There's also an option to learn more about adding or removing passkeys if you want extra details before you proceed. To add a passkey, tap Create a Passkey. LinkedIn will first ask for your account password as a security check. Once you confirm that, it will walk you through the setup process on your device. Follow the on-screen instructions. These may include verifying your identity with a code sent to your email or phone. Make sure you have access to those so you can complete the verification without interruption. After verification, your device will prompt you to create and save the passkey. This is where you choose to use your device's unlock method, like Face ID, fingerprint, or your device PIN. Approve the prompt, and your passkey will be linked to your phone. From now on, when you sign in to LinkedIn on this device, you can use your passkey for a quick, secure login without typing a long password. Keep your passkey private and protected, just like you would your device. If you lose your phone or think someone else might have access to it, return to the same LinkedIn settings, open Passkeys, deactivate the old passkey, and set up a new one on your replacement device. This helps you stay in control of your account security at all times. And that's it. You've successfully added a passkey to your LinkedIn account, making sign-in both faster and more secure. If this guide helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.